Hi, so today, greetings from the forest. I'm going to invite you to take a moment to just sit, be still, and breathe. Welcome in this beautiful calming energy of the forest. Whether you are able to get to a forest today or not, I invite you to feel the energy as if you could relax and take in all this beautiful chi. Big breath in and out. And smile. Help create a more uplifting chi. A way to just honor yourself. Feel your feet on the floor, or in this case on the earth. Let that soak into your body. Let the sunlight, or the imagined sunlight, flow down from above. Feel it enveloping you inside and all around your body. Enjoy. I hope that helps. Just a little moment of Zen here. All the best to you.